All right, let's jump into this. For today's deep dive, we're looking at a set of sources all about strategic career foundations for very early learners.
And specifically through the lens of this platform, Padhaion.
Exactly. We're looking at how a bit of focused intervention, delivered efficiently, can maybe solve that huge dilemma every high schooler has. What on earth do I do next?
It's a critical question. And our mission today is really to unpack how that kind of structured professional guidance can work against the usual problems.
The usual problems being limited awareness and just intense social pressure, right?
Precisely. And the audience here, the learners we're talking about, are students from class 8 all the way up to class 12.
Wow, so that's a really formative stage. It's basically the point of no return where your academic choices start to define your long-term path.
High stakes, and as you said, often high confusion. And what the sources really highlight is that the confusion isn't just, internal. It stems from a really challenging external environment.
Oh, the classic pressure cooker.
Yes. Students are constantly told they have to go into engineering or medicine, or that only one academic stream is the safe choice.
Right.
And they just don't have the objective data to confidently push back against those, very strong expectations from family and peers.
I mean, I certainly wish I had this. My only two options seem to be becoming a very stressed engineer or disappointing my entire family.
A familiar story.
But wait, we're talking about a massive scale here.
Yeah.
Isn't one-on-one truly personal guidance isn't it super expensive and hard to scale for that many students?
And that's where the insight is, and it connects right back to getting that knowledge fast. The sources show the platform makes mentorship work by combining tech-like, easy online registration with very specific human help.
So it's not just general advice.
No, not at all. It's an evidence-based process. Students aren't just getting an opinion. They might do structured interest mapping, maybe even psychometric tests, before they even talk to a mentor.
I see. So you're turning a vague career chat into a data-driven intervention. That's the crucial piece then. It means the outcome isn't just broad clarity on, say, picking science versus arts. It's granular. It's about which subjects to focus on within that stream.
And how that connects to a tangible career path. It helps them quickly understand their own interests and their own strengths.
Which brings us to the core philosophy of this whole thing. The sources seem to really emphasize early guidance over, say, late correction.
Yes, and that is a huge operational advantage. Think about the financial and, frankly, the emotional cost of having to change your entire career path at age 22. Compare that to a simple data-driven alignment check when you're 15 or 16. It's like preventative career health.
That distinction is transformative, isn't it? It moves the student from just passively doing what they think they should do.
Yeah, from just complying.
And empowers them to make an active, thoughtful decision, one that's actually driven by self-knowledge. They get confidence and purpose right when they need it most.
It's about building a robust foundation. What really stands out is that success isn't just about raw talent. It's about getting access to timely, objective professional information.
So boiling it all down, the primary takeaway is just the immense value of bringing in this intentional professional intervention during those pivotal high school years.
It changes the whole game.
It turns academic choices from, high-stress guesswork into a thoughtful, well-informed strategy.
And if we accept that a strong foundation is built on these early, informed decisions, it raises a pretty important question for you, the listener. If early guidance works best when it's based on accurate self-assessment, what specific tool, beyond your own gut feeling or advice from friends, are you using right now to really measure your own professional strengths and weaknesses?